In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack tags to better organize your writing. Organizing your content efficiently is crucial, especially when managing several pieces of writing. This process will enable you to categorize your posts for better internal tracking and management. Let's dive right into how you can master tags within Substack. First, it's important to understand what tags are in the context of Substack. Tags on Substack are for your internal organization only. Unlike hashtags you might see on social media platforms, these tags are not visible to your readers. They don't function as public categories. Instead, they help you as the writer to sort, group, and track your posts from behind the scenes. They are your tool to enhance the management of your content library. Now let's talk about the two main ways you can add or edit tags within the Substack web version. This flexibility allows you to maintain an organized setup whether you're crafting a new piece or revising an existing one. First, let's look at how you can add tags while publishing a post. After putting the final touches on your draft, you'll want to hit the Continue button. Once there, simply scroll down to the section labelled Add Tags, which you'll find right beneath the Allow Comments From field. Here, you can type in your desired tag and hit the Enter key to save each one you've created. This step helps you to immediately categorize your new post with relevant tags before making it live to your audience. The second method comes into play while you're in the process of editing a post. Begin by opening the post you wish to edit. Off to the lower right corner, you'll find the Settings button. Click this to enter the Settings menu. Next, scroll down until you see the Add Tags option located below the Order Comments From field. Much like in the publishing process, here you can type in a tag and hit Enter to save it. Alternatively, you can also choose from a list of existing tags, allowing you to maintain consistency across your content. This is an especially handy feature when updating or modifying older posts. By effectively using tags, you harness their true power in your writing ecosystem. Tags are uniquely private to you within Substack and serve primarily as a mechanism for filtering and organizing your content. This can be exceptionally beneficial when you need to search or sort posts by specific tags as you manage your content. The ability to filter your posts by these internal tags can greatly streamline the process of content management, enabling you to access what you need swiftly and efficiently. And there you have it, a guide to using Substack tags to their fullest potential. Implementing these steps will certainly bring greater ease and precision to your workflow, making the management of your content on Substack both effective and stress-free.